Privacy, such an important part. So, step one, anytime you go check out a new AI program or platform, you need to set the settings correctly for privacy. So, let's jump in on a couple of the basic ones on chat. You come down here to where you're going to go to your settings and go ahead and go to data controls. And the first thing is improve the model for everyone. You want to turn this off. If you have the free version on your phone, first thing you do, go in, turn this off. You don't want every single question you ask and information you get to be out there for anybody to look at. So turn that off. Next up, if you're in Claude, it's very similar. Again, you're going to click here, go to settings. You're going to come down to privacy. The first thing you're going to do is it does give you some information. You should go read this, especially if you're a law firm or a medical provider. You need to understand how and they use your data and information. But down here at the bottom, again, help improve Claude. Allow them to use your chats and coding sessions to train and improve. I'd say turn it off. All right. Google Gemini, very similar. Let's go to settings again. And this is where you go to activity. And here's the improved Google services with audio and Gemini live recordings. Nope, we don't want those things, right? So you've got to pay attention. Now, listen, there's lots of really great things that they have in here, like if you want to import memory into Gemini, right? So it will give you a prompt to put into your other AI providers. So if you trained it up on chat or over in Claude, but you want to use Gemini for some things, you can easily take this prompt and it will give an output, and then you can paste the information here and add it to your memory. So all of these have that now where you can go ahead and to personalize and set up settings to move information over and have the memory and get information from one to another. So listen, we're going to cover more on that in the next video, but make sure you protect your client information, especially be very cautious when you give access to any of the AI platforms. Make sure it's very limited to only helping with operational infrastructure, not reading all data. So take your time, protect your information.